Hello everyone! If you are interested in learning how to create and schedule Instagram stories in Scheduler, then you are in the right place. Prepare and schedule your Instagram stories in advance, even for a whole week or a month. It's up to you. You have the option to publish Instagram stories either automatically or manually. By the following steps, you will be able to create Instagram stories that will engage your audience. So let's get started. Create a new post in your Scheduler app. Select your Instagram account. Select the post format, Instagram story. Please ensure that your stories meet the necessary requirements for automatic publishing. Drag and drop images and videos or browse your computer to upload them. You can upload up to 20 images or videos at one time. Just simply click on the plus button. If you upload more than one image or video, you will be able to change the order using your cursor. Just drag and drop it in the place you want. Choose the date and the time and select the post status, approved. Then just wait for ZoomSphere to publish your story for you. If you want to include captions, music, location, or something else, you'll need to select Manual Publish option. To publish stories manually, please ensure that you install the latest version of ZoomSphere mobile app in your phone. You can find this app on App Store as well as in Google Play Store. In this case, you can choose who will be responsible for manually publishing your stories. Approved stories are synced into your mobile app. Set the date and the time of publishing, set the status, and save it. When it is time to publish the stories, the responsible teammate will get a push notification on their phone. Click on the notification. You can check your scheduled stories one more time, or you can edit them if needed. Then click on Publish to Instagram. You will be redirected to the native Instagram app. Open your gallery where the pictures and videos are downloaded and select the one you want to publish. You can add stickers, location, music, and so on. Your text from the scheduler is copied to your clipboard. So if you want to add the original text, simply click on the paste option. And that's it. You have learned how to effectively create and publish Instagram stories in ZoomSphere. Great job! If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us via the in-app chat or on our email support@zoomsphere.com. Have a nice day!